Welcome back to day 11 of Amped RC's Advent Calendar RC car build. So we're on day 11. Not sure what day 11 is. We've got all the instructions and parts here day by day. I'm trying not to look at that, so as things come out, I can be surprised. Granted, yes, I probably could have cut it off, but meh, we are where we are. I'm also now understanding that if I've zoomed in on the camera, you might not be able to see what's here, so apologies for that. Anyway, day 11. Let's see what we got. Where is it? Oh, there it is. No wonder I can't spot it. Let me show you guys this, because you probably won't believe that. This is why I couldn't spot day 11. So here's a calendar. Granted, I've opened a load of days so far, but you can see all the red dots are usually very visible. I couldn't see number 11. You probably can, because I can see it now, but number 11, in with all the red bits. No wonder I couldn't spot it. Anyway, let's get this opened and see what we've got. I can't do this while holding a camera. There we are. That looks to be a bash plate. Yeah, so bash plate probably goes on there somewhere. So as I thought, here's your car. I'll do it that way, it's probably easier to see. You might be able to see two studs there. There's your bash plate. Yeah, you can see where that fits. Right, let's get it on. Before I cut there, I've just realised what I said. I should really get some Barry White playing in the background. Let's get it on. There we go. Bash plate is on. I also realised that me singing in the last part, that bit of Barry White, has probably just got me a copyright strike. Oh well. Anyway, bash plate on. That is it. Thank you for watching. Remember to stay amped. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you tomorrow.